Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to mail merge in Excel from how to mail merge in Word from Excel. Okay, so you can see I have already created some mail merge here. So you can see name and country I have just insert in my this later. So how you can do this? I just undo the all process to show you from starting. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so you can see I have two sample here, Excel, and one you need one Excel, and you need data in Excel, and other side you need the Word file where you want to insert the you want to merge the data from Excel. Okay, so in Excel I have name and country. Okay, and you need header for your data because without header it is complicated to merge mail in Word. Okay, so make sure you have a header, just bold it and make sure you have data. I have normal data, name and country. If you have used data like name, country, pin code, city, you can you can work on this. This is only for sample, so I have only two rows, name and country. Okay, I have save in my computer in this folder. Okay, this is my folder, which is new folder. I have save both Excel and Word file in one folder. You can save separate, no problem, but for separate side I just save in one folder. Okay, so now start with the mail merge. Okay, I'm going go to the my Word file, and here you have to go in mailing. In mailing you have to select the receipt from here. So use existing list because we have already a list in my Word Excel file. Just click on it. Now open this folder where you have saved this Excel file. So here I have Excel file. Just I click and it auto open. I have only one sheet in Excel. You can see only one sheet in Excel. If you have many sheet, then the all sheet will be show here. So select sheet where you had data. Okay, so I have select the sheet, and first row data contain the column header, means you are indicated if you have to take it, and it is indication to Excel that first row means this row, first row has header. Okay, just click OK. Now you have to go in insert field. Okay, click on it, and here you can see your you will see the all your header name. So I have only two header, name and country, I can see here. So keep cursor on where you want to insert this data. So I want to insert here, just uh, follow by name. So just insert the name. On country I want to insert country. Okay, you can insert. Okay, it will be show like this. Okay, name and country. And if you want to insert country again or name again between the your letter, you can insert like this. I insert country again here. Okay, so it will look like this. So if you want to see the preview, you can click on this, then you will see all preview, and you can check all your preview here. Okay, so merge has been done. If you now how you can print it, go to here and click on print document, and here you can print, or you can print current document, or you can print from one page from 1 to 3, or maybe 2 to 4. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.